How to block YouTube channel full guide. So if you want to quickly go ahead and learn how you're going to block a YouTube channel, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be going on YouTube and you are going to choose a channel that you feel like blocking. Okay. So let's say I want to block this channel, meaning that I don't want anything related to this channel on my page. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here, you're going to go to the top right, click on this. And once you click over here, you can either click on hide user from my channel. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. Or what you can be doing is you can send a report of this channel where you can report this user and later on they're going to be blocked themselves. But the main thing is to click on hide user. And once you click on hide user, basically this user is going to be blocked and totally hidden from your YouTube. So that's the basic idea of how you're going to block someone on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.